Wow, look at this texture. Damn, those are crispy. I can see it. Hola amiguitos, ¿cómo están? Yes, it's this plant-based masterpiece and I'm Ulysses. I'm a chef and I've been working in kitchens, restaurants, with food by something like 10 years. Something like that. I mean, the last 5 years in plant-based cuisine, something that I really love it is make food and eat that kind of food. I'm going to show you right now how to make buffalo cauliflower. This is gonna be easy as fun. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what kind of ingredients we're gonna use. Flour, salt, garlic, black pepper, also little of onion powder. I say powder, no rocks. Use powder, please. So also if you're gonna give a hint or a little extra spicy, use paprika, cayenne, or other chili powder. Right now I have a small paprika or cayenne right there. I don't know what exactly is this, but I'll see. We're gonna make one ranch, plant-based ranch or vegan ranch. Oh no, daily or daily? No daily ranch. Just we won't use milk, regular milk. So we're gonna make plant-based. We're gonna make it with plant-based milk or not milk. Or vegetable milk. So let's make it. Right now, first thing, we should cut our cauliflower. You don't need one fancy knife. Also, for the best cut of your cauliflower, don't start on the middle. Start on the back. Yes, I said that you don't need one fancy knife. Also, I'm gonna try with this. I can cut you. That's it, that you can do this. Look at how easy it is cutting one cauliflower. Also, if you don't have one plastic, do it with that. Do it with this. No. Wow, easily. Also, don't throw away this. You can use it for your vegetable stock. So once you really cut it, just make sure cut it on the almost the same size. For my vegetable stock, it's too big. I'm gonna cut it. Yes, look at this. Quack. Does it too big? Yes, a little bit. Tadam. So bring all into one bowl or place into one bowl. Look at how much I have a lot. So then right now it's time to make our butter. How we can make our butter? Yes, you need one bowl. Also, we need water. If you don't have water or you wanna make it something, give it a little extra flavor, you can use nut milk. So right now, I say flour, salt, garlic. What else I say? Black pepper. I'm gonna give a little extra touch of spicy paprika, smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika. And onion powder. This is no onion powder, this is raw powder. It's no big deal. It's not a big deal. So mix it very well. So So once you have already mixed it, it's time to add it all water or delicious water. You see, it's water. I recommend you doing slow by slow. I mean, a little. If you see your flour too dry, it's time to add it a little more. Right now it's too thick. Let's make it more lightly. A little more water. Mix it very well. Something lightly, but not thick. Because we have to cover, cod. C-O-A-T, cod them. Pretty sure that I say well. I say that I'm gonna save a little bit because it's a lot for my butter. Also, I can make it more, but my oven is too small. Quack, 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 and I had to make it twice. Right now, let's cut them. Let's cover. Just make sure to cover that all cauliflower. Also, you can use 1 spoon or just toss it. If you wanna have a better or the best crispy texture, bring it to your freezer on this way. Actually, not this way. Oven, turn on oven. Let me tell you a little bit about what I'm talking. So if you wanna get a better texture, just bring it to your freezer by a couple minutes. Not couple minutes, something like 20 to 30 minutes. You're gonna have the best crispy cauliflowers for sure. So, but how I don't have freezer right now, I'm gonna bring it to the oven. But right now, what temperature? You can use 350 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. For how long? 20 to 30 minutes. Let's bring in. Ta-ta-ta-dan. I'll be back. Alright, we are here after 40 minutes. Yes. I don't know if I say 20 to 30, or 30 to 40. You know, was crazy. Oh my god, right here, look at, we have one amiguito right here. Be careful because it's this hot. So I'm gonna bring out our cauliflowers. Wow, look at this texture. Damn, those are crispy, I can see it. It's time to toss them. Yes, it's time to toss them. That is hot, it's hot. Oh my god. Alright. This is not hot. Look at this, still right here, or amiguito. Oh no. I'm gonna try it plain. Something that I wanna tell you is about this sauce. It's the first time that I try it. Look at how much I try it, and it's boom, it's fermented. If you know how to ferment it or make one sauce, let me know. If you don't know, I can show you how to make it. So I can make one version like this. This is amazing. I mean, I say before, it's the first time they crafted in California. It's spicy. I mean, it smells spicy, but it's not really crazy. Like spicy. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4 from 5. If you don't know how to make one fermented sauce, or even one sauce, let me know and I can show you and tell you how to make one sauce, buffalo sauce. But right now I'm gonna make it with this sauce also. Something is right here. Just shake it a little bit. I'm so excited. Those cauliflower are going to be spicy for sure. I'm gonna put a little bit. I don't wanna cry, I mean. Oh my god, I can smell them. It's spicy. Just toss them a little bit. Just cover enough. Or actually, you should use less spicy. Something mild, something not really crazy. Don't go crazy. I don't know why I'm doing this. So let's bring back into your oven for something like 15 to 20 minutes. 350 to 450. 15 to 20 minutes. I'll be back. So right now, while our cauliflowers are roasted or getting a little extra color, it's time to make your ranch dressing. Yes, ranch dressing. Let's make our Let's make our ranch dressing. Yes, all we need is a little mayo. Okay, veganese mayo. You know what is this? So then a little veganese, onion powder. Those are ready. Black pepper, salt, dry dill, paprika. Hey, paprika. Come on, paprika. Hey, it's paprika. A little of vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and yes, you know, nutmeg. Make sure mix it well. Anyway, I'm gonna give you and let you over there the recipe. I hope you get it. And there we go. Our ranch dressing. Our ranch is ready. Something that I love from this is because everything is worth it. So it's time to play them. It's time to eat. So then, amigos, we're almost done. I already added a little 5 extra minutes because it wasn't looks how I expected. You know what I'm saying? I already tried to make it a little, not crispy, but really dry or really toasted. So right now, I'm gonna plate it, and I hope you have apio. I mean, it's not apio, it's celery, right? Apio is in Spanish. It's hot. Okay, not crazy like hot, but it's hot. Amigos, this is how it looks like our buffalo cauliflower. I mean, it's not buffalo sauce that I used. I use it, but I'm gonna eat them. Look at those cauliflowers, buffalo cauliflower. It does looks amazing, and that taste is better. I mean, it's not really spicy right now with the cauliflower, but the sauce by itself is so spicy. So right now it's time to try it. Try and make the recipe. You're gonna love it for sure. You won't regret it. Get the recipe. Come on, it's right there. Also, if you want to get your cauliflowers very, very crispy, roast it for more time, for a long time, for more minutes. Thank you for playing this video, and thank you for staying until the end of this video. I really appreciate it. Also, tell me what would you like to know. I mean, what would you like to see on the next video? If you want to know how to make one sauce, I mean, the ranch is right there and the recipes. But if you want to know how to make one buffalo or one spicy sauce, let me know, and I'm gonna share with you.